Hey there, everyone! Today, I've got a handy tutorial to guide you through disabling the Meta AI feature on your Facebook account. If you're not a fan of this new addition and want it gone, stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Start by launching the Facebook app and navigating to your chat section. You'll spot the Meta AI features, including the AI icon near the search bar. Close the Facebook app and long press its icon to reveal additional options. Hit the Info button, and then select Uninstall to remove the Facebook app from your device. Now open Chrome browser. Look for a reliable website where you can find the older version of Facebook APK file. Opt for a version of the Facebook APK file from around the end of March or early April, as these versions may not include the Meta AI feature. After downloading the APK file, launch the application. Once the app is installed, log in to your Facebook account as usual. Head over to your messages and notice that the Facebook Meta AI option is now removed. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.